there, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, I have gotten the Kokie Mystery Box. I have never tried anything from Kokie Cosmetics that I can remember anyways. So we're going to try it out and see what it's like. You want to see with me? All right, my loves. Hello, hello. Make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you hit that like button. We are going to dig into Kokie Cosmetics. I love their little logo, I guess is what you call it, the little elephants. They're so stinking cute. I love that. Now, y'all, I don't believe I've tried anything Kokie Cosmetics, so this is going to be a new experience for me. So I paid $25 for this mystery box, and we got 5 items. So we're going to give it a try. Let's see what it's like. Let's see what we got. Okay, first thing we have here is these Soothing Micellar Cleansing Wipes. So that is going to be very nice. It says for all skin types, it hydrates skin and removes makeup. Cruelty-free, fragrance-free. Excellent. Love that this is made with micellar water. I needed some cleansing wipes, so that's fantastic. Next thing we got is in this little bag here. And it looks like a lip liner and a lipstick maybe. I hope it's not a gloss. Y'all know how I feel about glosses. I've got way too many. So it's a liquid lipstick. Yay! And here is the lip liner, which we will be trying on. Matter of fact, let's just see if this is matte or not. Let's put some glasses on. Y'all know your girl can't see squat. So this is in the shade A Nuance. And it says it's a matte lipstick, so I don't know if it's going to transfer or not. Just a nice nudie lipstick. And the lip liner, this is also a nude, and it says nude. So pop that top. It's got a little grippy right here. I haven't ever seen that. Oh, my bottom came off. So there's not a sharpener or anything in there. That's weird. And maybe you turn it to get the lippy out. Oh, nope, you have to twist the top. I'm not sure why that popped off. Whatever. So, scoot the mirror over here. Let's see what it's like. All I have on is my foundation, my contour. That's it, you guys. I really didn't know what to expect in this. Okay. So the lip liner is just gliding right on. That's nice. It doesn't feel so soft like it's going to break. So how I liner on first, and then I do my lipstick, and then I use the liner again to make those sharp, smooth edges. It's a pretty nude pinky lipstick, as you can see. I like this doe foot. It doesn't have so many fuzzies on it that it gives you those fuzzy edges. That is nice. So I don't really feel the need to line my lips again. That's pretty. Now, I wonder how matte it's actually going to dry down. We'll see. Again, this is the lip liner nude and the matte lipstick and Nuance. Nice. Okay, we got Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadows. Ooh, green and gold. And there's the little elephants. That's pretty. That would be wonderful for, you know, the little crease cut looks. But I'm not going to use those because we got a palette. Ooh, and she's pretty. Artist Palette Treasured. What is this all about? It's got our color saver on there. Here is our beautiful shades. Look at that. Look at that blue sparkle. Oh, that green. Those are pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. We're going to do it, guys. And we'll just do it right here in front of y'all so y'all can actually see me in action. Okay. So, there's very few mattes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, and the rest are all shimmers. So, out of 12 shadows, there's, what did I say? 11. Whoa, stop, Sunny. 8 shimmers and 4 mattes. So, we're just going to go into it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and put this one right here on. And we'll do it together. Oh. Now, you watched me barely put that in there. That is some pigment. And it is really, really sticking. I have on my Too Faced Born This Way concealer actually on my eyes. A little fallout. Not a lot. I do want to put this all over the eye. There it is. I went a little heavier on the other eye, so we gotta match it up. For some reason, on both sides here in the crease, it's not wanting to stay on. I don't know why, but I'll try to get it on there best I can. It's both eyes. That's really weird. It's going on fine everywhere else, just not in the crease. Kind of weird. I don't know. Don't know. So we are going to do some swatches of the shimmers and see which shimmers we want. So we're going to swatch this one, this one. We're going to swatch the whole middle row. Let's just see here. Okay, that's a dark coppery type of shade. That was this one right here. Let's go ahead and do the one next to it. All right, that would be for your inner corner. Get those wiped off. Let's do the gold, and let's do the green. Ooh, look at those. The green and the gold. Oh, boy, you guys. So I'm thinking I'm actually going to go with the darker shimmer here. This one here. There's no names on these shades, you guys. So, yeah. Probably those two there. We might do a little pop of color with the green. Let's just check it out and see how she goes. Okay, all off the finger. Get our makeup wipe out. I don't want my outer corner to be real shimmery, so I am going to go ahead and just use a brush. Go right back into that one right there. Oh, and it applied just fine with the brush. Holy crap. That was kind of a shocking. Go ahead and go on the crease. Yeah, it's not wanting to on this side very well. There we go. No, it's really not. Okay, let's try to use the pinky. There it went. Isn't that weird how one eye applies one way and the other eye applies the other way? So since that side got a little bit darker because I used my finger, we're going to darken that one up. Okay. Pretty. Now let's go ahead and do, yeah, I want to go into that yellow, the goldie right beside it. Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful. I got a lot of fallout on my face. Darn it. Oh, yeah, look at all that. I'll have to clean that little bugger up. Let's blend that into that darker copper shade. Easy peasy. And get our other eye done. Ooh, look at that gold. So beautiful. See how I just blended it right over that coppery shade? Very pretty. Ow. I just flipped something in my eyeball. Let me see if I can just get that wiped off real quick. It did, boy. Come right on off of there. It's one of their wipes. Worked brilliantly. Okie dokie. Now we're going to take our little tiny brush, just like that. And we're actually going to go into this kind of purpley shade here and do our outer corners. It's kind of a dark purple. Like really dark. And we dab. And just do the outer corner like that. Same with the other eye. Dab. Huh. Again, this side here, it's not wanting to grab a hold of. There it went. And we always do that little flick at our outer corners right there. This kind of elongates the eye a little bit. And very pretty. Now let's get a clean one here. Use this bling brush. And we're going to go into that green and give it that little pop of color right here on our inner corner. Didn't get enough apparently. Oh, there she goes. Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. The same with this one. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I'm going to drag this one out here a little bit more. Wow, I like that, you guys. Actually like that quite a bit. I like that little pop of color. All right, my loves, I'm going to put on some eyeliner and mascara. It dried down. And I'll be right back with you guys. All right, my loves, we are done. Now, yeah, the hair is up because I have got a play date with my oldest daughter. A little bit, maybe a couple hours. But here's our finished look. I actually really liked these shadows. Like, they all blended well, like they were very cohesive together. Now, I know some of yous are going to be noticing my eyelashes. They're mine. And I will be revealing to you guys what mascara I have been using. I have been doing a wear test on them. On it. Them. I say them because it looks like I have eyelash extensions on. I do not, you guys. That is just mascara. So, I will be doing a reveal video on it and a giveaway with it coming up pretty soon. As far as the Kokie Cosmetics Mystery Box, I like it. It's a wonderful beginning to try out new makeups, getting their mystery boxes, you guys. Like, I got the lip liner, the lippy, which did dry completely matte. Doesn't budge, so I'm assuming it's transfer proof because it's not coming off, y'all. I like the lip liner. It glided on very easily. The Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadows. Yeah, that's for the girls who like to do those very dramatic cut creases. Or I could use them and just sheer them out on a normal everyday look. But it was golden green. And I also had golden green in the palette, which I actually really liked. That matte that I tried, I don't like that they're not named because it's like you can just point them out, I guess, Sunny. So I used that matte, as you guys seen, and then I used this shimmer on my outer corner over the matte, and then the gold one all over the lid, and then the green, as you can see, my fingernails on that inner corner. Just gorgeous. And then I used this, yeah, this one right here, this very dark purple muted shade on this outer corner. That's it. Very easy to use palette. Thumbs up, Kokie Cosmetics. All right, loves, this was the March box. I have ordered the April mystery box, so I'm really excited. Oh, let's don't forget about our cleansing wipes, which I did use, and they worked wonderfully. No scent or anything. I really like that a lot. All right, loves, that is all for Kokie Cosmetics mystery box. $25. Their April boxes are available. I have one on the way, and as soon as it gets here, we'll see if we like it as much as we like March. All right, loves, I'll see you in the next video. Be looking out for the mystery mascara I've been trying out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.